A very warm welcome, dear viewers. This is ERi-TV bringing you the latest news from around the world. And these are the ones making the top stories for today. Cataract and glaucoma surgeries at Burhan Aini Hospital. Efforts to empower women in the Anseba region. Nigeria's president declares emergency in oil-rich state. And Poland to mine borders with banned weapons. On your domestic reports, cataract and glaucoma surgeries are being performed at Burhan Aini Hospital in Asmara. The procedures are being conducted in collaboration with Eritrean experts and the Cure Blindness Ophthalmology Group from California, United States. The program, running from 17 to 23 March, has so far facilitated surgeries for over 300 patients. Dr. Mengus Bairu, coordinator of the Cure Blindness Ophthalmology Group, stated that the initiative is a continuation of their ongoing surgical and training programs. Alongside performing surgeries, the ophthalmologists are also providing training and sharing their expertise with Eritrean specialists. Highlighting the group's active role in reducing the number of cataract patients, advancing technology transfer and supplying medical equipment, Dr. Mengus noted that 8 Eritrean students are participating as part of their postgraduate studies. Eritrean specialists involved in the program emphasized that the experience has significantly enhanced their practical knowledge, which was previously limited to theoretical understanding. Dr. Kahzai Sahadian, medical director of Burhan Aini Hospital, pointed out that the program is primarily being carried out by young Eritrean doctors and aims to strengthen their capabilities. Dr. Thomas Tayeri, a glaucoma surgery expert, praised the dedication of Eritrean doctors, stating that the program will serve as a stepping stone for them to independently perform such surgeries in the future. In other news, the National Union of Eritrean Women branch in the Anseba region, in collaboration with its partners, is providing vocational training to women to enhance their skills and improve their livelihoods. Ms. Terhasner Ayo, head of social services and projects at the National Union of Eritrean Women branch, stated that tailoring training has been provided to 40 women, while 20 female members of the Eritrean Defense Forces have received basic computer application training. She emphasized that these programs will significantly enhance vocational skills and help women improve their livelihoods. Additionally, Mr. has reported that 15 women in Ilaber subzone are receiving tailoring training, while 35 women are undergoing training in beekeeping. Plans are also in place to provide vocational training to 100 women in Hamel Malo and Habero subzones. Noting that previous vocational training programs have visibly improved the livelihoods of many women, Mr. has encouraged more women in the region to take advantage of these opportunities. The trainees expressed their gratitude for the training and pledged to work diligently to improve their livelihoods using the skills they have acquired. Still with your domestic reports, Students' Week was conducted with great enthusiasm in Mendefera, Adduala and Imnahaili subzones, featuring various cultural and sports activities. The event, which saw the participation of over 5,000 students, included cultural programs, drama performances, music, poetry, short stories, painting and various competitions. Additionally, students took part in football, volleyball and athletics competitions. School directors highlighting that the program plays a crucial role in nurturing competent students while helping them identify and develop their talents. They also urged the public to continue supporting and participating in this initiative to ensure its sustainability. DVOS International reports and more will be following after the short break. Welcome back. Nigeria is facing an escalating political crisis after President Bola Tinubu declared a state of emergency in oil-rich River State and suspended the governor, his deputy, and all lawmakers in the state parliament for 6 months. In a nationwide broadcast on Tuesday evening, Tinubu said he had received disturbing security reports detailing incidents of vandalization of pipelines by some militants without the governor taking any action to curtail them. He added that he could not allow the grave situation to continue. But lawyers and opposition politicians are questioning the legality of the president's decision. Tinubu made the announcement after one of the country's highest producing crude oil pipelines, the Trans-Niger pipeline, suffered significant damage due to a blast. Attacks on pipelines have in the past been carried out by criminal gangs or militants, halting production and exports. But against the backdrop of the blast, there has been a political rift in River State that has reached boiling point. This is not the first time a state of emergency has been declared in Nigeria. Former presidents resorted to the action in a bid to curb insurgency and instability in different parts of the country. On today's final report, Poland has announced plans to deploy anti-personnel landmines Warsaw had previously banned along its border with Russia and Belarus, citing concern about a potential Russian assault. Earlier this week, NATO's Eastern European members Poland, Latvia, Estonia and Lithuania announced a proposal to exit the Ottawa Treaty, which prohibits the use of anti-personnel mines and to which they were all signatories. The Polish government has also announced plans to intensify the fortification of its borders, including with anti-tank obstacles and reinforced defensive positions. Beyond the landmines, Polish Prime Minister Donald Tusk has also suggested that Warsaw should acquire its own nuclear weapons. Moscow, on the other hand, has repeatedly denied having any intention of attacking EU or NATO countries. And Russian President Vladimir Putin has dismissed such statement as nonsense. He has also suggested that the supposed threat of a Russian attack is being used by European politicians to scare their citizens in order to extract more resources from them and justify increased military spending. Dear viewers, you're still watching us on ERi-TV, and now a quick reminder of today's top stories. Cataract and glaucoma surgeries at Burhan Aini Hospital. Efforts to empower women in the Anseba region. Nigeria's president declares emergency in oil-rich state. And Poland to mine borders with banned weapons. Well, that was it for today, dear viewers. Thanks for watching.